It was nearly midnight. He was suddenly at my desk, a small box in hand.
You're still here. For your efforts. Let's leave together. I'll wait at the elevator.
Wagashi, hand-wrapped from a boutique near his station. We left together. Neither of us spoke in the elevator, just the machine's low hums, the faint scent of his cologne, the rhythm of my pulse in my ears.
Kenji-kun, you're a strange one.
I didn't know what he meant, but I knew it wasn't an insult. We walked down the corridor, our reflections trailing beside us. Two silhouettes side by side, just shy of touching. When he stepped into the rain, I stayed under the awning, watching him fade into the blur of city lights. I wanted to go with him, but my feet didn't move. It wasn't planned. The company sent us to Osaka, 2 nights, 1 hotel. After dinner, he paused beside me. His voice was low, uncertain.
Kenji, will you come up with me?
Outside, rain pressed against the windows like it wanted in. Inside, the air smelled of damp coats and convenience store whiskey. We didn't talk much. His voice had changed, softer, almost fragile. The silence that followed wasn't heavy. It was waiting. He looked at me, then leaned forward, forehead to forehead, breath mingling with mine. When our lips met, it didn't feel sudden. His hand brushed mine on the bedspread, a fleeting touch that turned accident into choice. I turned toward him, so he didn't look away, and then we were closer, close enough that the air between us ceased to matter. That night, the rain never stopped. Neither did the ache of wanting him. I woke before him. The rain had softened, drizzle threading silver against the glass. He lay on his side, breathing slow, face unguarded in sleep. I had never seen him like that, never this bare, this close. One arm rested between us, his skin warm against mine. I thought about moving away. I didn't. Instead, I let the silence fill me. He stirred, eyes half opening. For a moment, he just looked at me, as if trying to place where we were, what we'd done. For that morning, we were only here, only us, and it was enough.